The good old Tom Collins is timeless, steady and dependable, with multiple variations: Tom, John, Joan or Phil. If a cocktail ever had a multiple personality disorder, this would be it. Now, I want to make a pact with you all. If you ever see anyone order a gin and lemonade or any shit like that, just stop that person in their tracks and get them in one of these, or relegate them to the children's table. This is a great long drink, so it's great if you want something easy going or you want something to last a while. Start off by adding 2 ounces, that's 60 ml of London dry gin to your shaker. Now follow up with half an ounce, that's 15 ml of simple syrup. Now you want to cut and squeeze 1 ounce, that's 30 ml of fresh lemon juice, and don't you dare skip corners and get in jiff. These were proper stingy lemons today. History-wise, this is another paternity suit cocktail which traces its roots back to Victorian times, with the British and the Americans making claims. Now make sure you fill the shaker with plenty of ice and shake for 10 to 15 seconds. Believe it or not, there's even a hoax attributed to this cocktail, similar to the classical joking wind-up used on local psychopaths. So somebody would say, there was a guy in the bar up the road bad-mouthing you who's talked to your girlfriend last Friday, when often responded to, I'll kick his fucking head in. What's his name? Let's say Tom Collins. So this would often ensue with some poor bloke called Tom Collins getting absolutely battered and given a shoeing up the road. Now balance 3 or 4 ice cubes, careful because this is like Jenga. The contents of the tin to the glass. Fill the glass up with some soda water. Now you need to give it a light stir with a bar spoon. Just be careful not to fizz it up too much. For the garnish, cut a small slice of lemon. Once done, balance it onto like the side of the glass like this. Now I'm going to save you the hassle and stress of watching me play ice Jenga and cherry balancing. Finally, after about 5 minutes, managed to balance a cherry on top. Give the subscribe button and the cherry a good dry slap, and most of all, enjoy, have a couple more and behave yourselves.